Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to add decks to the TWD, the Tournament Winning Deck Archive. So first you need a GitHub account. This is a standard tool used by developers for software and websites. This is pretty standard. Just input your email and the password. You should land there. You can consult interesting guides on how all of that works. But first, we want to go to this repository, TWD, and fork it. Click on the top right here. This will copy the repository to your space. Here it's Codex of the Dam, and I will have my own copy of the whole thing. What you want to do is go to this file, the TWD. This is the actual file of the deck archives, and there you can hit the dot of your keyboard. This will open the online editor and allow you to, basically edit the TWD. So this is the file, this is how it looks. It's a big file, you might want to scroll a bit to find your space. But let's add a deck. So you go to the VEKN forum, find a deck there, and go to the KSCG API, and you try it out, submit the deck in text form, click execute, and then you get the result. You do that to get a correct format of the deck, because the KSCG API will format it with precise, everything well made for TWD. You scroll and you find the exact place, the exact date actually of the tournament, so that you can paste the deck there. Remove any spurious data, check everything is all right, and use the standard headers and footers, the tags with the pre and the A here, so that it's well formatted. You can check the guide here on the TWD repository on how to format everything. You need the event ID, so get that from the post here. It's 9975, and you put it there on the top tag. And then you need all the headers with the tournament name, the place, date, player name, number of players. Put all of that there, format it nicely, so that it's consistent with the rest of the file. And you might want to add the deck name if there's any. Same thing, you want to keep the name short for online tools that are using the TWD. So sorry there, I will just remove a bunch of it to make it short. This is it. Once you're ready here, you only need to add a single line on the top of the file where is the list of all the decks, and you want it to match the rest. So use href with the same ID you used, 975 here, and then put the name of the player, the name of the tournament, date, place. Same thing, you can check the format on the documentation of the TWD repository to make sense of what you should put here and in what order, but just copy what's already in the file, right? Put it in the right place, should be in date order. And then November, and that's it. When you're ready, click on the left here, and this will allow you to see the changes you've made. So check everything, check that you have only 2 changes. Changes appear in green here. This is how it should look like. Scroll a bit, it's a big file. Find your change, and check everything is okay, like you didn't make any mistake, you have all the cards. Then you can add a small message here to tag your modification. The important thing is to add the link where you got the deck, a link from the VEKN forum. So just go there, take the link, copy it, and add it to your commit. And then you hit commit, like the small check icon here, and this will commit your modification, your code modification. And that's a small last step, because all these changes you made on your local copy or local fork repository, and refresh it, and now you should be able to contribute to the original repository, the one that we started with, Anka's repository. Click open a pull request, and this is exactly what you want to see. You see the changes in green, you can check again, and create pull request. And this will ask for a modification, and Anka will validate it if everything is all right. Everything should be green, or you have something wrong here. And that's it. Your pull request is created. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, follow, and watch out for more tutorials.